Welcome to Stuckey's. I'm Stephanie Stuckey, and I'm thrilled to invite you to tour our candy plant right here in Wrens, Georgia.
Take a Stuckey stop, make a Stuckey stop. It's the highway stop with style.
Since 1937, Stuckey's has been making pecan snacks and candies that bring joy to road trippers and snack lovers alike. From humble beginnings to a nationwide name, we've been rolling out happiness for nearly a century. Stuckey's began with my grandfather, W.S. Stuckey Sr., selling pecans from a roadside stand in Eastman, Georgia. What started small grew fast. By the mid-20th century, Stuckey's was a highway staple with stores dotting America's roads. But like any journey, we hit some bumps. After decades of success, the brand faced a decline. That's when I stepped in. In 2019, I bought the company and built a team. Today, we're rebuilding this iconic brand with a focus on what made us special in the first place. Now, we're giving you a behind-the-scenes look at how we roll, right here at the home of the original pecan log roll. It all starts with the pecan, a nut with a story as rich as its flavor. Did you know the pecan is the only snack nut native to the U.S.? Or that Georgia grows more pecans than anywhere else in the world? Native Americans first discovered pecans thousands of years ago, but it was Antoine, an enslaved horticulturist, who changed the game in the 19th century. His groundbreaking cultivation methods made pecans a star at the Centennial World's Fair in 1876. And the rest is history. Today, this little nut powers an industry producing millions of pounds every year.
Georgia's pecan industry is a cornerstone of this state. These trees don't just grow nuts. They grow jobs, they grow tradition, and they grow a whole lot of pride.
We're more than just a snack company. We're a vital link between farm and table, turning Georgia's homegrown pecans into the nostalgic treats people love. And now, we invite you to take a first-hand look at how the magic is made. First stop, the roasting line. Here, we turn fresh Georgia pecans into crunchy, golden perfection. Next, the chocolate enrobing line, because, let's be honest, everything is better with chocolate on it.
And here's where the magic happens, the Stuckey's pecan log roll line.
Stop. This recipe is locked down tighter than the Coca-Cola formula, the Krabby Patty secret, and the truth about Area 51 combined. All we can say is, there's nougat, there are pecans, and there's a whole lot of Stuckey's love.
Finally, packaging and distribution. From Wrens to stores nationwide, we're bringing pecan joy straight to you.
Thank you for visiting Stuckey's.